Hello, Aries. From June 1st to June 15th, 2025, your fiery spirit meets a wave of opportunity. Mars, your ruling planet, ignites action and ambition, urging you to pursue passions with confidence. This is an ideal time to tackle challenges head-on and make bold decisions that align with your goals. Relationships flourish as Venus blesses your social sphere. Be open to meaningful connections. However, avoid impulsive reactions. Patience brings clarity. Focus on self-care during this period, nurturing both body and mind. Financially wise choices will pave the way for stability. Channel your natural leadership into creating harmony at work and home. Remember, balance is key. While your drive propels you forward, peace comes from within. Trust yourself. You have everything it takes to create the life you desire. Stay inspired, stay grounded, and embrace these weeks as a chance to shine brighter than ever before.